So hello everyone, welcome to another video. As you can probably guess by the title, we have a new car to reveal today. I've just gone and got it. It's replacing the MX-5. Matt has not seen it yet, so we're going to be doing a bit of a first reactions for him and then showing the car off to you.
So George is one of these people who can't make his mind up.
Yeah, just a little bit.
We've gone through him wanting a Celica to an MX-5 to actually buying an MX-5 to wanting a Cooper, a Mini Cooper S, the R53 or something like that.
R53 and the R56.
53 and 56.
Yeah, backwards and forwards between those few, and the Audi TT.
And the Audi TT. And then this car, which I have no idea what it is.
And there's quite a few.
Yeah.
So just to make it more awkward on Matt to try and guess what it is.
So I thought it was something like a 350Z or something, just completely something he's never looked at, but fits along the lines of things he was looking at. But I don't know. And to be fair, 350s are a bit expensive to run because of the 3-litre engines. So yeah,
I'm going to go and get the car now, and let's see how what Matt thinks and what all of you guys think. Be back in a second.
All right. So while George has gone to get it, I don't really know what it could be. It could be a 350. I don't think so though. So I'm not too sure what it could be. It could be anything from a to be fair, I'm thinking probably he's gone for a hatchback. It could be like an EP3. Ooh, EP3 Type R would be quite interesting. Or like an FN2 Type R. I don't know. I don't really know what his budget was, so that's why it could be lots of things. I don't know if it's already modified, so that's going to be an interesting thing as well. And what colour he's gone for? Could be red. Could be any colour really. Could be a Hyundai Coupe. Or the... what else could it be? I hope it's not diesel though. Really hope he's not brought diesel. I think it could be a Citroen actually. Citroen DS3 maybe, because he used to have a Citroen and he quite liked it. He liked the DS3 racing, but I don't think he's got one of them because they're quite rare. But he could get a DS3 and then do it something like that. I just don't know. Oh, I hear something coming. Ooh. This is actually really interesting. I guessed it right. I guessed it. All right then.
Yep. Hyundai Coupe V6, 2.7 litre.
Nice. I guessed Hyundai Coupe. When you literally when we drove out, I was like, it could be the Coupe. Nice. All right.
So yeah. But you know what my favourite thing about this is? I'll quickly go with you, Matt, right now.
It's got tailpipe rear.
It has two real tailpipes at the back that actually connect to the engine. The one big problem with this is the paint on the spoiler is absolutely knackered.
The paintwork is a bit meshed.
Yeah, especially on the spoiler, all the lacquer has come up.
Yeah.
But
alright, not the specs then.
Well, I've got the, let me pop it up.
Alright, so it's a big boy V6.
Yep, 2.7 V6. Pretty much the top of the range what you're going to get on these.
Interesting. What does it produce?
165 brake horsepower.
From a V6? So it's got 10 brake horsepower, or 15 more brake horsepower than a 1 litre Fiesta EcoBoost.
Yeah. It's got 25 more than the MX-5.
The MX-5. Okay, interesting. Fuel economy? None?
I actually have a fuel economy gauge, which I was getting about 30 odd.
Okay, not bad.
So,
what are those, 17s?
Yep, 17s I believe standard.
Okay.
Yeah, bodywork is knackered, but the engine works brilliantly. The only problem...
it needs a good bit of love.
Yeah, oh, it definitely does that.
Yeah, dents and shit all here.
Mechanically with it is the
power steering.
radiator has a small leak.
Okay, how small is a small leak?
Well, like I haven't had any problems with it since getting it.
Okay.
But with it, they actually gave me a spare radiator, so
Result.
I
Okay.
can't really argue on that much too
No.
much.
Okay. Interesting.
That's
Oh. Nice leather seats.
Yep.
Oh, let's move the paper and the wine gums. Okay, like
Yeah.
stepping back a few years.
But very classy for those few years back.
So what age is it?
2006.
Okay.
That's what I mean. You can see the.
And you can move the... Oh, that's cool. You can open and close the boot.
Yeah. You have literally the boot, the fuel cap, and the engine release.
That's cool. Okay. Interesting. Interesting steering wheel. Which is strange, because I've been looking at the i30N.
Yeah.
That's strange.
See, I like the i30N. The only problem I have
Yeah.
is it won't do anything because the keys aren't in.
All right.
Yeah, the only problem I have is I just prefer the Veloster.
I don't, because it doesn't make sense. It's two on one side, one on the
Yeah,
other.
it makes total sense.
No.
It's so
What's
you have
this?
your nice coupe styling.
What's this?
Well, that part, that's
Yeah.
the steering wheel adjustment. You pull
Oh,
forward so
okay.
you can adjust the steering wheel.
It's strange. I've never been in one before. So rear wheel drive.
No, front wheel.
Ah. All right then.
Front wheel drive D6 producing nowhere near as much power as it should.
It should do. Okay. All right. No, it's not terrible.
No, I think they look great as well.
I think they do look great. It's just a shame they're not rear wheel drive.
Yeah.
I thought they were.
That was the same problem as the Celica though.
I thought they were rear wheel drive.
No.
Okay.
They're pretty much, this was the direct competitor.
This is the Hyundai Celica,
Yeah,
just with
this
a
is what they
bigger
came out
engine.
with. Well, it's a bigger engine. These are supposed to be pretty bulletproof engines as well.
Yeah.
From everything I've heard. So that's all good. Literally, they're cars which are both Celica and they're supposed to be brilliant, but they just came out at the wrong time
Yeah.
when no one was buying sports cars anymore.
Can you call it a sports car?
That's a V6.
Can't really call it a sports car though.
If it's not a sports car, what is it then?
It wants to be a sports car.
So what is it though? If it isn't a sports car, what is it? It has to be something. If it isn't a sports car,
coupe.
it's a GT car, which isn't. I don't know if you can.
It's
got a
not.
big engine, but
It's not powerful enough, and it's not powerful enough to
Well,
be a
it's got some
sports car.
torque, though.
Has it got torque? I suppose, you know, if you've got the torque going around, we'll go for a little drive in it. But if it's got
Yeah.
the torque to do what it needs to, then I suppose I still wouldn't call it a sports car, but I'm not sure what it is.
That's what I mean. You sit there and say, it's not a sports car. So what is it then? I don't know.
It's not a sports car. It's like the Celica. Can you call the Celica a sports car? Car throttle.
Yeah.
You know what? It's not. That's quite nice actually. The colour's nice. It just needs some love.
See, like I was saying to you before, the one I almost got was the 2-litre version in blue.
Okay.
Came up. I got this for 1,300 as well, so I was well under my budget originally.
What?
Yeah.
That's a good price.
This
That is a
1,300,
really good
so-
price.
Cool. So yeah, off in the.
It is very, very talky. It's nice actually, yeah.
It's really good.
We'll have to, yeah, that's strange. So it
Yeah.
indicated on the wrong side.
Literally,
gone through that,
yeah. Literally, I took it out for the test drive first thing, and it was like you turn left out the showroom to go for test drive, and then wipers go on, and then you're like, oh,
Ooh, sorry.
wait, what's going on? But yeah,
It's cool.
yeah,
It's nice.
I love it for the price as well.
Oh yeah, for like 1,300 quid, you get not complain.
And let's be honest, how often do you see these out and about?
You don't. You really don't. So you're thinking what? A little racing stripe, tinted windows.
Yeah, tinted wheels for on
Exhaust.
first things. Yeah, once I get into the performance bits, the exhaust and air filter will be a bit that, because it already sounds good anyway.
Yeah. Well, V6 will always sound quite nice.
Yeah, just open it up a bit more.
Yeah. Make it hum a bit.
Yeah, exactly. There's no rush. Might get some new wheels for it, like next year.
Yeah.
It's got some new winter tyres on it already.
Oh, okay, nice.
So there's no rush for those at the moment. Might give the other ones a spray up. Do the calipers like I was planning to do on the MX-5.
So what are the colours you're going for then?
I'd probably go for the red with some yellow little
Red and
bits.
yellow.
I go for like the races you're up in, that'd probably be all black, so there's going to be a lot of black and little yellow details.
Okay.
Like the calipers and that.
Nice, interesting.
Maybe I'll go full underground and do the neons and all
Neons.
that.
You can't really call it a sports car, I'm sorry. Like a sports car is rear-wheel drive, perfectly balanced, because it's got a big engine in the front that weighs a ton.
Yeah.
So it's probably got a lot of like lift off oversteer, if I'm honest.
Probably.
If you actually tracked it, you'd probably find that your back goes a bit.
Yeah, I would like to do that. It probably won't be this year now because everything's starting to finish up. Might just be able to get to Santa Pod for that last one I was looking at.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's that problem we're at that time of year where everything's closing up for the winter.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's all about finding the right one. We've got to get the Moggy up and closer. I was sure you were going to get a DS3. It was between a DS3 and, because I went for a list and you can edit it in that I basically can do like 10 hours later because I go through quite a lot of cars. You can like fade in and fade out and which will look quite good. And I was like, he's probably going to drive around in a DS3, I'm sure of it now.
Yeah.
Because I mentioned this and I was like, it could be like the Hyundai Coupe, I'm just not too sure.
No, I did think about the DS3.
Yeah.
But they have a very like modern new interior, and I like the idea of like it. I don't really like that as much.
Oh, okay.
Like I like the other side of this because once you like put your race steering wheel in here, maybe replace this seat with a nice bucket seat.
Yeah.
But then it doesn't ruin any of the other drivability because you still have the other leather seats, everything else for around it.
Yeah.
So is that
could remove
perfect
the rear
in between?
seats for weight reduction, bro.
I could.
It's talking.
Yeah.
Might need new brakes.
I think the rear ones need doing.
Yeah.
I know that much on it.
I can tell.
But...
We're like, oh, I'm trying to find the brake for you. Like,
Yeah. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this little intro into the new car. Hopefully get a fair few videos out soonish. So it'll be a bit slow, but there's lots of little bits to be done to it. So we'll be getting all of those. But yeah, hope you all have enjoyed it. If you want to go and subscribe to the channel, go and click over there on Matt. Or if you want to go and check out any of our previous videos, like Matt did a full price video on his Ibiza, they're just over here. So yeah, but until then, we'll go see you in the next one.
Thank you very much for watching.